Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to block someone permanently on Bigo Live app on your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to open the Bigo Live app. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, then on the screen at the bottom, you can see there are a few options like live, video like option, chats, and me. Tap on video or live, or at the top of your screen, you can see there's search option. You can type in the username, ID, or live title of the creator you want to block. I'm going to block the user that's popping up on my screen. I'm going to go to their profile, and then at the top of the screen, there's 3-dot menu. Tap on it and hit that block option and block them. And guys, that's it. That's how you permanently block someone on the Bigo Live app using your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.